Hi, second graders. Yesterday's assignment for Wind Time was to work on the worksheet in your Elements of Poetry packet. What is onomatopoeia? Okay, so it says an onomatopoeia is a word that sounds like its meaning. So the word splat or buzz, like a bee will buzz in your ear, or squish, or when you jump off a diving board, you might splash. Or if you pop a balloon, or if you hear a car going super fast on the road, you might hear the car go vroom. Okay, so an onomatopoeia is a word that sounds like its meaning. So hopefully you did this worksheet. If you did not do it yesterday for Wind Time, make sure that you do this worksheet. Today, for our poetry book, we are talking about the acrostic poem. Okay, so look at your table of contents and look for the acrostic poem. It's poem number 4 on your table of contents. Okay, and it's page number 5 and 6. So for this one, you get 2 pages. One page is where you are going to write your final copy. And the other page, the back side, is where you can draw your pictures. Okay? So I first want you to write your poem in your first draft before you write it in your book of poetry, because that is your final draft. Okay, so turn to this page. It says my acrostic planning page. Write an acrostic poem with your first name. Before you begin, let's think of words and phrases that describe who you are. Answer the questions in the boxes to help you plan and think about your acrostic poem. Now, the examples that I have shown here up on the video, this acrostic poem is about spring, but you are going to write your first name going vertical and write an acrostic poem about you. Okay, so this one's about spring, but you are going to write your name instead of the word spring for your poem. Okay, it says words that describe what I look like. So what are some words that describe what you look like? Activities that you like to do, things that you love, and words that describe my personality. Okay, so use this to help you plan for your acrostic poem. Now, I'm just going to read some of these examples about spring, so it will help you understand how you are supposed to create your acrostic poem. Okay, so if I look at this one over here, so the first letter of the word spring is an S. So you have to think of a word that starts with an S to write down your phrase or sentence. So this example, they did sprouting flowers grow. In this example, they did sun is shining brightly. In this example, they did shining light from the sun. See how all the words start with the letter S. Okay, if I look at the next word in the next letter in the word spring, it's a P. So you have to make sure that your word starts with a P or whatever letter comes next in your first name. Perfect day for the park. Playing outside in the grass. Playing outside all day. Okay, so make sure that your first word starts with whatever letter comes next in your name. Okay? So go ahead, be creative, make sure you draw your pictures on the back side of your poem. You have that whole space, so use all of that space to write your poem. Have fun!